Hey guys, today we talk about how can you select who has permissions to send to you request message on your Reddit app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You go down here, click on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on account settings. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You go down here. Then you click here on chat and messaging permissions. Just click on it. And you come here to chat requests. And here you select who has permissions to send to your chat requests in this list here. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.